Hi friends, look what is here, the ice cream vending machine. Let's see what are all available.
These two are chocolate, this is cookie and cream, both are vanilla, flavorful green tea, here fragrant strawberry, vanilla with luxury macadamia, this is my favorite. This is caramel and vanilla, tiramisu with ganache, blueberry cheesecake, chocolate mint, milk with multicolored chocolate, grape sherbet, soda vanilla float sherbet, soda sherbet, Satsuma mandarin. Mandarin andre it is a kind of orange. Comment which one do you like.
Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe.